Welcome back to American Beef Ranch. Today we're talking about how we're using a living water bioreactor to improve some of the worst ground on our farm. This system is simple, effective, and organic approved, and it might just be the missing piece to getting struggling acres back into shape. The living water bioreactor is self-contained inside of an IBC tote, and it is constantly injecting biology into our irrigation line. With that injection, it's designed to feed your soil biology every time you irrigate. We're using Soil Phix from Living Water. This is the organic approved version of their product. This packet includes the biology and a food source so that when it's put into the tank and inoculated and mixed alive, the biology is able to multiply, and then as you apply it on your fields, you always have a constant fresh source of biology. This is set up on a subscription-based system, so every month you get a new bag of biology, and every 2 weeks we re-inoculate this container with bugs by splitting the bag in half. That way you always have a fresh source of biology. A huge selling point of this product is the price. It's only $5 per acre per month. It's really hard to find a value like that where you're constantly injecting biology, so you're always putting it out there, but for that price. So for $15 or $20 a year in most cases, you can have a constant stream of biology onto your crops and on your soil. We added this to our fertility program to really help some of the really challenging areas in our fields. Now you may know or you may not know, we removed about 45 acres of rock piles and covered those with dirt. And so some of that dirt we brought in was just that, it was dirt. There was no soil about it. And so to really get that soil going and get it boosting, we needed more. So with good mineral nutrition and the add of the constant flow of biology, we're actually making significant improvement in that hard to grow soil. So far, some of the results are pretty easy. The plants obviously look a lot greener. There is a lot of plants in those areas where there wasn't plants last year. Overall, I have better water infiltration, I have better nutrient uptake, and I have better nutrient availability because I constantly have good microbes getting applied to my soil and being able to do the job that they're supposed to do. And with them being able to do their job, I'm excited to see how we continue to bring the farm's average up, especially in those challenging areas. If you've got tough ground or you want to add a biological to your fertility program that doesn't break the bank, you should definitely take a look at the Living Water Biology Reactor so you can inoculate, stimulate, and regenerate every time that you irrigate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our website, abfranch.com. You'll learn more about living water biology and all the things we do at ABR Agriculture. God bless. We'll see you next time.